Good morning mga brad. Here is my 100 peso bill collection starting from 2024, wherein the president is Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos and the bank governor is Eli Remolona Jr. For 2023, again, president is Bongbong Marcos and the bank governor is Felipe Medalla, I think. Then next is 2022. The president is Duterte and bank governor is Jokno. 2021, again Duterte, the bank governor again is Jokno. Then 2020, again Duterte, the president, and the bank governor is Jokno. Then for 2019, it's again Rua Duterte, but the again the governor is bank governor is Jokno. Then here is 2018 Duterte, but the governor is Nestor Medalla Jr. Then for 2017 F, the president is again Rua Duterte, but the governor is Titanco Jr. For the year 2016, again the president is Rua Duterte, the governor is Titanco. For the year 2012, nasa 2012, the president is Benigno Aquino Jr., the governor is Titanco. For 2011, again the president is Benigno Aquino Jr. and governor is Titanco. In the year 2010 also, the president is Aquino and governor is Titanco. Then for 2010, transition ini, the president is Gloria Macapagal Arroyo and governor is Titanco. And for 2010 A, again the president is Macapagal Arroyo, the governor is Titanco. Then for the Bagong Lipunan, we have here Ferdinand Marcos and the bank governor, I don't know who signs this. That's all. Thank you. Good day.